Devlog number 2, stac-geoparquet-pmtiles. This is an experiment I just deployed, so it's pretty fresh and probably broken, but showing how we can use stac-geoparquet and pmtiles together to make both good visualizations and have full search and discovery for metadata. So let's check it out. So this is a public repository right now that's in my personal organization. I'm going to move it over to development seed soon. It's a very simple Next.js app. The things really to note are two assets that I'm going to deploy with the web app. A Parquet file, which is a stac-geoparquet file, and then a pmtiles file that was created from the stac-geoparquet. I'll talk a little bit more about how I created that pmtiles in a later episode, because there's some interesting things there. But we can see that neither of these are that large. So this is, I believe it's 10,000 items. And you can see that the stac-geoparquet file is 1.82 megabytes. The pmtiles file is a little bit larger at almost 17 megabytes, but still not huge for a bunch of things. Yeah, and I think I'll just kind of show it in action to show how it's working. So I'll reload the page here. This is all statically deployed. So there's no servers other than an HTTP server running on GitHub pages. And you can see that the pmtiles is being rendered over here in a map viewer. You can still get some tiles, and then the pmtiles is actually fetching directly from the deployed GitHub pages. And then if I click on one of the shapes in the pmtiles file, you can see that I'm actually grabbing data from the native to Parquet. I don't know if it might be a little small, but this is actually using DuckDB under the hood to go fetch directly from the stac-geoparquet file and getting some information from it. In this case, I'm just getting the thumbnail asset and displaying the thumbnail image, but you could obviously do much more interesting things. And that's really it. It's kind of a simple, very interesting static setup, but I think for like small to medium scale deploys, this could be a useful way to visualize stack metadata, search and discover stack metadata, and maybe even filter on it. I am not a front-end developer, as you can tell by how simple this is, so I think there's a lot more that we could explore. But I just thought I would drop this here on the Friday for my second devlog. Thanks a lot.